Bullish Ape value expectation is $4.27 to $9.47. Apecoin cost could likewise reach $8 soon. Ape negative market cost expectation for 2023 is $2.80. In Apecoin cost forecast 2023, we use measurements, cost designs, RSI, RVOL, and other data about Ape to examine the future development of the digital money. What is Apecoin? Apecoin is the local utility badge of the Ape environment. It is an ERC20 token made and oversaw by Apecoin since its send-off in WAC 2022. Apecoin has turned into a popular metaverse token connected with the viral Exhausted Ape Yacht Club NFTs and other side metaverse. Apecoin is the essential administration token that awards clients casting a ballot rights in its local DAO. Ape holders take part in the organization's administration proposition. Ape, conveyed as a decentralized installment token across a few Web 3D apps. Designers and clients get close enough to the underlying administrations inside the Ape biological system. Likewise, Apecoin, apportioned as an impetus to remunerate designers who add to the organization's turn of events. Apecoin value expectation 2023. Apecoin stands firm on the 32nd footing on CoinGecko at this moment. Ape cost expectation 2023 is made sense of underneath with an everyday time period. The above graph of Apecoin spread out the slipping channel design, otherwise called the falling channel. A dropping channel is shaped by two equal trend lines. The upper trend line, which joins the highs, and the lower trend line, which joins the lows, run parallelly downwards. This example is the quality of a negative market. Presently, Apecoin is in the scope of $3.93. Assuming the example proceeds, the cost of Ape could arrive at the opposition levels of $4.61. $6.28 and $7.60. On the off chance that the pattern inverts, the cost of Ape might tumble to $2.66. Apecoin backing and opposition levels. The graph underneath shows the help and opposition levels of Apecoin. From the above everyday time span, we can decipher the accompanying as the opposition and backing levels for Apecoin. The graphs show that Apecoin has played out a bullish pattern throughout the last month. In the event that this pattern proceeds, Ape could run alongside the bulls, surpassing its obstruction level at $9.47 in like manner. Assuming that the financial backers betray the crypto, the cost of Apecoin could fall to nearly $2.80, a negative sign. Apecoin value forecast 2023. RVOL, MAMA, and RSI. The relative volume of Apecoin is displayed in the diagram beneath. It is a sign of how the ongoing exchanging volume has changed throughout some stretch of time from the past exchanging volume. At present, the RVOL of Ape lies beneath the end line, demonstrating frail members in the latest thing. Likewise, the moving normal of Apecoin is displayed in the graph above. Strikingly, the Apecoin cost lies somewhat over 50 MAMA, so it is in an upturn. Right now, Ape is in a bullish state. In this manner, there is plausible of an inversion pattern of Ape whenever. In the interim, the general strength record of the Ape is 57.18. This implies that Apecoin is neither in an oversold or overbought state. Be that as it may, this implies a significant value inversion of Ape might happen in the forthcoming days. Thus, merchants need to painstakingly exchange. Apecoin value expectation 2023, ADX, RVI. Allow us now to take a gander at the typical directional list of Apecoin. It assists with estimating the general strength of the pattern. The pointer is the normal of the growing cost range values. This framework endeavors to quantify the strength of cost development in the positive and negative headings utilizing DMI markers with ADX. The above graph addresses the ADX of Apecoin. As of now, the ADX of Ape lies in the scope of 13.388, so it shows a powerless pattern. The above graph likewise addresses the overall instability record of the Apecoin. RVI estimates the consistent deviation of cost changes throughout some undefined time frame. The RVI of Ape lies over 50, showing high instability. Truth be told, the RSI of the Apecoin is at 57.18, hence affirming a potential purchase signal. Correlation of Ape with BTC, ATH. The underneath outline shows the cost correlation between Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Apecoin. From the above graph, we can decipher that the value activity of Ape is like BTC and ETH. This shows that when the cost of BTC and ETH increments or diminishes, the cost of Ape likewise increments or diminishes individually. Apecoin value forecast 2024 to 2030. Various elements are considered while gauging costs, including volume changes, cost varieties, market cycles, and comparable coins. We should anticipate the cost of Apecoin somewhere in the range of 2024 and 2030. Apecoin value expectation 2024. With a few redesigns in the organization, Apecoin could enter a bullish direction. Assuming the coin gets the notice of significant financial backers, Ape could revitalize to hit $11 by 2024. Apecoin value expectation 2025. If Apecoin supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 3 years, Ape would revitalize to hit $14. Apecoin value expectation 2026. If Apecoin supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 4 years, Ape would revitalize to hit $17. Apecoin value expectation 2027. If Apecoin supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 5 years, Ape would revitalize to hit $20. Apecoin value expectation 2028. If Apecoin holds up areas of strength for and as a superior venture choice for the following 6 years in the midst of the patterns in the exceptionally unstable crypto market, by driving critical cost rallies, Ape would hit $23 in 2028. Apecoin value forecast 2029. In the event that financial backers rush in and keep on putting down their wagers on Apecoin, it would observe significant spikes. Ape could hit $26 by 2029. Apecoin value expectation 2030. With more prominent headways in the Ape convention, the crypto local area could keep on putting resources into Ape for the following 8 years and drive critical cost rallies for the token. Subsequently, Apecoin could hit $29 by 2030. And, with nonstop enhancements in the Apecoin organization, we can say that 2023 is a decent year for Ape. Hence, the bullish value expectation of Apecoin in 2023 is $9.47. Then again, the negative value expectation of Apecoin for 2023 is $2.80. Moreover, with the progressions and moves up to the Apecoin environment, the exhibition of Ape would assist with arriving at over its ongoing all-time high of $26.70 very soon. In any case, it could likewise reach $8 assuming the financial backers accept that Ape is a wise interest in 2023. 1. What is Apecoin? Apecoin is a renowned metaverse token related with Exhausted Apes Yacht Club NFTs. This ERC20 token is the utility badge of the Ape environment and an installment token conveyed across Web3D apps. 2. Where might you at any point buy Apecoin? Apecoin has been recorded on numerous crypto trades which incorporate Binance, Whitebit, Coinbase Trade, OKX, KuCoin, and Huobi worldwide. 3. Will Apecoin come to another ATH soon? With the continuous turns of events and updates inside the stage, Ape has a high chance of arriving at its ATH soon. 4. What is the ongoing all-time high of Apecoin? On April 28, 2022, Apecoin arrived at its new all-time high of $26.70. 5. Is Apecoin a wise interest in 2023? Apecoin is by all accounts one of the top acquiring digital currencies this year. As per the kept accomplishments of the Ape convention in the beyond couple of months, Ape is viewed as a wise interest in 2023. 6. Could Apecoin reach $8? Apecoin is one of the dynamic cryptos that keeps on keeping up with its bullish state. Ultimately, in the event that this bullish pattern proceeds with the Apecoin will hit $8 soon. 7. What will be the Apecoin cost by 2024? 8. What will be the Apecoin cost by 2025?